into a short break. Let's quickly cut to the live pictures that are now coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, after successfully concluding his visit to Japan, is now departing for China. The pictures that are now coming in from the airport, there you can see India's ambassador to Japan also being there. When it comes to the Prime Minister, and he's now been seen off as far as when it comes to the dignitaries who are also concerned. This has been one of the most successful visit of the Prime Minister is concerned, as this two-day visit to Japan has now concluded. Well, even more significant, Rishabh, is now being attached to the Prime Minister's next destination, which is China.
Well, definitely, Prime Minister would be landing in China at around 4 p.m. our time, and he would be participating in SCO events. Tonight there's a gala dinner for all the visiting dignitaries. Tomorrow we'll have the bilateral between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Xi Jinping as well, and there are other bilaterals as well. One of the major bilaterals after China would be one with Russia that is expected to be on Monday. For that matter. So, if we talk about the visit to China, it is coming for the first time since Galwan had happened, or for that matter, since COVID has happened. Both the leaders would be meeting in Tianjin, both the leaders would be meeting, and on the backdrop of this whole tariff triad that is being played by Washington, and both the countries are at the receiving end. So, in a way, new world order, in a way, new friends are being looked into geopolitics, and India and China coming together. Definitely, and this has been experts' long drawn conclusion that a mutual future for India and China will definitely be beneficial for both Beijing and New Delhi. Yes, there have been ups and downs, and there have been lows and lows between India and China. 1962 is too old if we talk about 2020.
So a reset of ties that has now been looked upon, as far as the Prime Minister has called the relationship between India and China steadily improving and amicable, as the Prime Minister has now departed for his next leg of his destination, and he would be participating in the SCO summit in Tianjin, China. With that, we head into a short break.